Introducing the new redesigned bottle washers from Aquatech BM. The most efficient and versatile bottle washers ever made. Our years of experience in the conception and manufacturing of commercial and industrial washing and sterilizing equipment is at the core of this new line of appliances. Using the highest quality stainless steel, along with other heavy-duty components, they're made to last and require minimal maintenance. Fully automated and easy to operate, they're perfect for winemaking, brewing, dairy farms, and laboratories. With 4 models to choose from: the bottle washer, the carboy washer, the combined, and the super combined. Aquatech BM, our commitment makes the difference.